How would you feel if you could make quick money, generate traffic in a flash, and finally stop buying products after products with distant hope that one will work out for you? What if you could really do those things? Ultimately, it would mean you could quit your job and stop trading time for money. Finally, you could start making a passive income for yourself, which would be nothing short for amazing. So today I present to you Warlord Secrets. So what is Warlord Secrets, the pros and cons, the sales page, the live demo, and my honest review, is it worth buying or not? But before we start, if you see this channel for the first time, I suggest you smash that subscribe button if you want more affiliate marketing videos and product reviews that will help you a lot on your business. So let's get started. First, what is Warlord Secrets? Warlord Secrets is a training program makes it easy for you to make passive income with 5 minutes of work without having to create content to use or any paid ads. It's super simple and proven to get fast results. In fact, this course includes an actual case study. Trust me when I say you won't be connecting these things to that thing. No boring research, just copy and paste, then you will be able to post any link you want online to get unlimited traffic. And on top of that, these guys have figured out a way for you to automate everything. It doesn't really on YouTube, Amazon, autoresponders, landing pages, offline marketing, eBay, webinars, or pitching clients. You're going to absolutely love this. So this is some Warlord Secrets features. Here's just a taste of what you get with Warlord Secret. The real secret to success: to make money online every newbie needs. Everything you need to generate unlimited traffic from one place, how to make quick cash like you've never seen before, how to generate sales 24 hours 7 days a week while actually doing less work, the absolute best way to stop buying product after product hoping your situation will change, step-by-step over-the-shoulder video training to follow to avoid any confusion whatsoever, earn easy passive income no matter what your experience level, stop wasting time creating content and instead start copying and pasting your way to success, the secret to generating commissions day in and day out, discover how people just like you are leveraging this underground traffic backdoor, stop paying for worthless ads that burn your bank account balance, answer the question how to actually make money online as a complete newbie once and for all. So here in the sales page, classify training reveal, watch how we make $348 a day by tapping into a backdoor traffic site with 330 million buyers, and how you can duplicate these exact results within minutes. No content creation, no videos, no tech skills, 100% real results. So 100% beginner friendly, get buyer traffic to any link, all in one solution. No website, email list, or funnels needed, no further investment, no learning curve, just copy and paste, and 30 days money back guarantee. Now let's see the course from inside. So we will have 6 sections. The first section in the welcome, watch this first. The second one is $43,000 in 7 days. The third one is case study and overview, and the main training is the number 4. Automation softwares number 5, and the upgrades is the number 6. Like you see, the course is full of value and have some secret methods and strategies never seen before, because I already watched the full training and I find it very useful. And for the bonuses, you will have 5 bonuses. Bonus number 1, direct access to the backdoor master, value $1,997. The bonus number 2, free training of how we made $43,000 in 7 days, value $1,997. The bonus number 3, free high ticket training worth $1,997. The bonus number 4, unfair advantage in business and life costume training, value $997. And the bonus number 5, instant approval to promote Warlord Secret, value $97. So you will have the Warlord Secret training reward value $497, Warlord Secret AI automation software reward value $997. $997. All the bonuses I already mentioned before, valued at $8,579, you can get it today for just $12. So you will pay $12 for all this training beside all these bonuses. I think this deal is perfect for you and I don't recommend you to miss it out. So guys, if you want to purchase Warlord Secrets, the link in the description below, and of course if you see this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews and affiliate marketing tips and tricks like this one, and see you on the next video.